Okay, today is December 10th, 2012. I'm doing a recap of the first day of the trading room. I was kind of hoping it'd be a little bit more eventful today, but we got stuck in about a 5.5 point range all day. Really not much going on. It was a real tough day. I came pretty close to just break even. I actually took a little bit of loss, but so we'll go ahead and talk about it. We came out this morning at the open, and we kind of developed a range. We got the range, or the channel line, a bull channel line here pretty early on. So we got that developed pretty quick and kind of held to it through most of the day. So we came up to test the upper end of it. We got that line drawn on there, and then it kind of went sideways on us. This would have been an ideal place to go long, but I didn't really like all the overlap going through here, and then coming off this really strong bear spike down of a couple points. So I didn't know if it was gonna just break through, or had a little bit of support and resistance on both sides of here. So I wasn't too anxious to take it. And then we went into a little bit more of a range, a lot of overlap, and there was another good signal here. But again, I was still a little bit hesitant to take long with all this overlap right here. And then we had a real quick shoot out of the range box I drew here, which gave me a signal to buy here, which I took. And it looked like it was going to start going in that direction and kind of continue along this trend. Pretty weak bear trend, bull trend, but nonetheless we took it, knowing that we had some resistance here. So we just scalped out, took a point on the first contract, and then quickly turned on us and took me out, minus a tick on the second contract. So still up. We're able to manage that trade pretty good. So still got out with profit. Turned into another range up here on the top. Now you can see the EMA kind of go sideways. A lot of overlap through here. Thinking it was just going to push through this area and then break the trend. It was kind of what I was thinking. And then we got the signal here to go long, but we were going up into this resistance again to the upper end of this small range that we have. But I took a long anyway, so I got a late entry. I think I was preoccupied doing something. I don't know why I got such a late entry on it, but I took a late entry here, and I think I missed my target by a tick. I wanted to really see it push at least one tick higher. I should have had it at the day high, but anyways, we created a double top, and then it sold off, and I took a loss here and gave back the profits from this trade. And we see here that as we move along, we kind of broke through this range, and we're on a downswing. I had a bias long, so I wasn't considering taking a short, although I should have. Then we came to this bull bar here. Not a great signal, pretty aggressive, but we took it anyways, and it wasn't the standard signal that I normally take, and I paid for it. Took a pretty hefty loss, I think $125 on that. At this point, we closed up the room and called it a day, and wasn't really interested in trading anymore. And as I sulked in my losses, I saw this develop. So we had a really nice bull signal bar here. Put an order one tick above it, and went down first, and then it came up and took it. And I closed the first half about 1.25 points. And then we started getting a lot of overlap, so I went ahead and covered the second position. And so overall, today I'm down $50 plus commission, so we're looking at about $80 in the hole. But looking at the overall day and the range that we were trading in, I'm just glad I didn't lose more, to be quite honest. I should have just hung it up earlier in the day, but we didn't. So that was a day. I'd like to thank all the people that came out to the room today. We had 20 plus people in there. I thought I only had 10 licenses, but apparently they're not holding me to it. And thank all those that contributed, especially Ricky. Learned a few tricks today, so thank you very much. Anyways, hopefully tomorrow we get a trend that develops. We have a trade balance coming out, so hopefully that'll push it in a direction. And if that doesn't happen, then we're looking on Wednesday. We got a lot of news on Wednesday, so probably I would assume something would happen on Wednesday. looking for some runners to catch and make the week's profits. So until tomorrow, same time, same place. For all those that are interested, PM me, give me your email, and I'll send you the list or send you the meeting ID for tomorrow. And we'll start about 6:30. So till then.